How to buy Robux in Roblox. So in order for us to get this done, I'm just going to head over here at the top. This is Roblox. Now take note that I am on the official Roblox website. And then from here, you have two options. You have one here with some virtual items included, or you can go ahead and scroll down for you to find some great value Robux packages. Now say for example, I'm just going to buy the cheapest one here. I'm going to click it. After doing so, you have here different payment options. Now I'm just going to choose a debit card here. I'm going to click this one. Now after clicking that one, you should arrive in this similar page. Now depending on which payment method that you are going to use, it's going to be a little bit different, but most likely the same. So here, go ahead and type your email and then enter your card information, card holder name, and then country or region. Afterwards, you have the option to save your payment, but once you're done entering all the information, you can just go ahead and click the pay button in order to confirm this one. And that is how to buy Robux in Roblox.